Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to look at how you can change the size of a slide. So I've got 4:3 ratio slides here. I want to make them 16:9, but I want to do it without losing absolutely all of my layout. Now I've got a very small presentation here, but it could be many slides, and I certainly don't want to have to fix all of this back up again. So let's have a look and see how not to do it. So I'm going here to the Design tab on the ribbon. I'm going to the slide size. I'm just going to choose 16:9. And you'll see that I have lost all my images. Everything is looking a really big disaster. So I'm just going to undo that and let's try again. So this time I'm going to the Slide Master. So I'm going to View and then Slide Master. Now you may or may not be aware that the Slide Master is actually going to control the entire look and feel of my slideshow. This is my Slide Master. Let's try and change it. Well, as soon as we go to widescreen here, we've got exactly the same problem. So let's just undo that. So my task here is to try and save as much of this as I can and resize my slides. So I'm going back to the Slide Master because that's where we're going to do everything. So I'm going to View and then Slide Master. Now before I change the size of my slides, what I want to do is I want to save everything that I have here as a theme. So I'm coming up here to Themes. I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to choose Save Current Theme. Now I've already done this once before, but I'm going to call this something different. So I'm just going to call this County Water and click Save. So that is my theme. So let's go now and change our slide size. And of course we're doing this within the Slide Master, so all of the slides are going to change. Now, not unexpectedly, we have got now a 16:9 layout, but again, we've lost our look and feel of our slideshow. Well, we're coming here to Themes, and I'm going to click here on our custom theme, and here is our County Water theme, the one I just saved. And when I click on it, you can see it's now applied to the slides. Now, you might have to do some minor editing because you now have a 16:9 slide, a much wider slide than you had before, but everything else looks just fine. Let's close Master View and let's go back and have a look at our presentation, and you can see here that everything is looking pretty good. Now of course, as always, if you want to double check and make sure that the Slide Master is properly applied to the slide, you can right click on any slide and choose Reset Slide, and that resets it to match the Slide Master. And look, what I've seen here is that the Slide Master has got this title centered. Well, I don't want it to be centered, so let's go back to View and let's go back to Slide Master and let's check. This is the Slide Master that's used by all of my slides, and as you can see, this is centered. So let's just go to the Home tab and let's move this back over to the left aligned. I'm going back to my Slide Master. I'm going to close Master View. Now when I right click on this and reset the slide, everything is stable. You might see minor changes as you work through this, but hopefully when you actually created the presentation, or whoever created the presentation in the first place, actually did it correctly. Now this one's got a little bit of a change just took place. That's fine. Now all of these are according to the Slide Master. So that's a handy way of being able to resize your slides without losing all your images and all your formatting, and also a way of just checking to make sure that your formatting is correctly applied throughout your presentation. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.